MUT 20แม่ห้องสอนกิรณาจัสมินชูเธอ
แม่ห้องสอนกิรณาจัสมินชูเตอร์เริ่มค่ะ
Women and transgender women are stopped by barriers, whether it be to education, healthcare, or economic avenues, which further hinder empowerment. I have worked alongside the United Nations, and I know to combat this issue, we must nurture safe places for conversations. But furthermore, we must create structural change in the system with the government. So there are laws that come out to protect all women, so that all women can speak with no fear. Thank you.